So I'd like to do one more of these problems here. So this is another one of these optimization problems, question 3. It says Card Sharks is a company that produces decks of cards. Last year they sold 12,000 decks for $2. A marketing research team told them that every decrease by 10 cents in price would increase their sales by 2,000. What should Card Sharks charge? So again, we're going to use revenue equals, oh, I can put price first, but for some reason I like quantity times the price. So how many you sell times the price. So the first bracket, so we're going to go R equal, the first bracket is going to be quantity. I'm going to just put two big brackets here. The first bracket here, we're going to put the quantity. So initially they're 1,200 and the initial price is $2. So initially 2 times that, we got 2,400. Now, the research team, let's take a look. The marketing research, so the 10-cent increase in price. So if it goes up by 10 cents, okay. Oh, a decrease. If it goes down by 10 cents, sorry. If it goes down by 10 cents, the number of cards will increase by 2,000, or the sales will increase by 2,000. So we're going to put an X here and an X there. And we're going to let X represent the 0.10 decrease. And that's what that X represents. I'm going to rewrite the equation here. And we're going to expand it in a second. It's going to be huge numbers here. So we're going to expand. We're going to multiply this one times that. We're going to multiply that times that first. So we're going to get my calculator out because it's very big numbers. So clear. So it's 12000 times 2. Huge number, 2,400. You can shout over here. 24000. And then I'm going to multiply 12000 times 0.1. And I get 1,200, but negative because of the negative sign. I'm going to multiply that times that. I can see that's 4,000. So 2 times 2 is 4, and it's 4,000. And 2,000 times 0.1. So clear that, 2,000 times the last one, 0.1. And there's a double X, and there is a negative. So it's negative 200x squared. Let's make sure we know how we got all this. Okay, so let's take a look. So this times that is 2,400. 2,000x, this times 0.1 is 1,200x. This times that is 4,000. And again, this last one times 0.1 is negative 200x. We're going to add these two together first. So 24000. Put these two together. So I believe that's 2,800. And minus 200x squared. We can double check that with the calculator. So clear. So you get negative 1,200 plus 4,000, 2,800. So we've got it. Now we're going to put it in the right order. Minus 200x squared plus 2,800x plus 24123. Got that? Now to complete the square, you're going to take out what's in front of the x squared only from the first two terms. Only from the first two. So we get minus 200 x squared, and you got to divide 2,800 by 200. So 2,800, another 0, divided by negative 200, minus 14. So here we get minus 14x plus 24123. Now we take the 14 divided by 2, 7, square it. 7 times 7 is 9. No, 7 times 7 is 49. So take the 14, I'll put on the side here. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And then we square it, so we get 49. So we're just completing the square. So minus 200 x squared minus 14x plus 49 minus 49 plus 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, on the next line, we're going to take the negative one out. We don't want this negative one. We're going to take it out. So you get x squared minus 14x plus 49. We take it out, minus 49 times negative 200. And we're going to add the 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next step, minus 200. This is now perfect square. So it's x minus 7 squared. And then we're going to do some math over here. I'm just going to use my calculator. So look, I'm just going to do all that in the calculator. Minus 49 times bracket negative 200, close the bracket, plus 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. And I get plus 33800. Okay, my vertex, 7, 33800. So it's 7, that. Now this is my x. Okay, that's my maximum revenue, or my R, max revenue. We got to go back to the initial equation. So back over here. Over here is my quantity, Q. Quantity is that number. So over here we're going to find the quantity. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 plus 2000 x. Okay, so look, I just wrote it here. Where did I get that from? All the way up on the top here. All the way. It's the first part of the equation, the quantity. The second part I got price. So I'll just write price here just so you can see it. It's 2 minus 0.1x. So let's find our quantity. 12000 plus 2000 times 7. And we're going to just work that out on my calculator here. Bring that up. Clear. So 12123 plus 2000 times 7. Our quantity is 26,000. 1, 2, 3. Now our price, so decrease in price. Let's go figure this out. Our price, so we're going to write in 2 minus 0.1 times the 7. So 2 minus 0.1 times 7. $1.30 or 1.3. $1.30 per card. So we're going to put a therefore statement at the end. Therefore, a maximum revenue of $33,800 is achieved at a price of $1.40. At a price of $1.30, not $1.40, $1.30, 1.3 maximum revenue. Now, if you multiply these two numbers, you should get the maximum revenue. You would sell, so let's put you would sell 26,000 DEXA cards. Now, all I'm going to do is double check whether that 26. So if I go 26, we'll clear this. 26, 1, 2, 3, and I multiply it by $1, $1.3, $1.30. I should get that 33,800 I did over here. So these two multiplied do give me that. You can do that as a check. And here's your final sentence. And I finished this last question.